our relationship, as Pastor Fred already said, started many years. I think he knew from I was born, starting there. But the I can remember as far back as me living in Trelawney, and I think what was most vivid for me was when he would come to visit, right? So he'd come to visit at probably right around Christmas. Come visit my mom and they'd bring food and all these different things. But I think what stood out for me, and this may sound funny, but he would take time to actually play with me as my elder brother. And one of the things we used to play, if you can remember, was that we would always talk about boxing, right? And boxing was very popular in Jamaica at that time. I mean, pretty much everywhere, but I think Jamaicans were definitely into the boxing and Thursday night and the fight and all of these different things. But I would say I'm one person, and then I would ask him he would be the opponent, and he would play with me in those moments, and we would pretend as though we were boxing, and those things really stood out to me, and I would say made a very big impact on me, and our relationship grew from there. He has always been there from all the way back that I can remember. I can't remember him not being there. He's my mother say he took that role as a father figure, and I think I've always looked up to him even to this very day. He is definitely the first male figure that I can remember. I don't know my father, so he's definitely the first male figure that I would think that that's somebody I'd like to be like, have the characteristics, has the principles, the things that I would see myself that I would want to do.